Hi, I'm Lisa Ryan, Chief Appreciation Strategist at Grategy.com with today's quick tip on how you can increase employee engagement. Do you have employees that are basically sucking the life out of your organization? The Gallup organization has found that 19% of employees are actively disengaged. These people are the poison in your organization. And if you have done everything in your power to bring them along, to show them some love, to connect them to the organization, and because of whatever they're going through, they're not having any of it, it's time for you to help them find their next. You'll raise the energy for the rest of the people that are in your organization as they see that you are focusing on the positive people that are bringing their energy to the organization and getting rid of the people that shouldn't be there. I'm Lisa Ryan, and I appreciate you. Thank you.